Hello friends, welcome to Learn1. In previous lecture we have learned about delete method of hash, and today we will learn about empty method of hash. This method will check if our hash is empty or not. If our hash do not have any key value pair, it will return true. And if it contains some key value pairs, it means some elements, then it will return false. This method always returns boolean value, either true or false. Here in a screen I have created one hash. This hash contains two values, two key value pairs, and in second line I have checked my hash name dot empty method followed by one question mark, and here it will return us false because my hash contains two values. Let's see practical examples of empty method in hash. Here I am creating one hash variable, that is my hash, and assigning key value pair to my hash. My first key value pair is 1 and its value, that is 1, and my second key, that is 2, and its value, that is 2. So our hash variable is ready, and now I am checking whether my hash is empty or not. This empty method returns us a boolean value, true or false. So here my hash variable name, that is my hash, dot my method, that is empty, and followed by one question mark, and this will return us false because my hash contains two key value pairs. Now I am creating my second hash variable, that is hash2, and I am assigning a blank hash value to it. So our hash2 variable is having blank hash, empty hash, and now I am performing my empty method on my second hash variable, that is hash2 dot empty followed by question mark, and this will returns us true because our hash do not have any key value pairs. So this is how we can work with empty method in hash. In next lecture we will learn about length method of hash.